Monster M3 Bluetooth Speaker Review, Sound Quality, Features, and Verdict. In this video, I'm reviewing the Monster M3 Bluetooth speaker to find out whether this tiny portable speaker delivers good enough sound, battery life, and features to be worth buying. And the Monster M3 Bluetooth speaker is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with design, the M3 is extremely compact. It measures approximately 73 by 48 by 33 millimeters and weighs only around 80 grams, making it small enough to carry in a pocket backpack or attach to your clothing or gear using its magnetic clip design. Despite its tiny size, the M3 uses a 1.25-inch driver with 6 watts of rated output. Don't expect room-shaking bass from something this small, but for podcasts, casual music, cycling, walking, or having personal audio nearby, the size-to-output ratio is appealing. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.4, with a claimed transmission distance of approximately 30 meters under suitable conditions. Once you've paired it with your phone for the first time, reconnecting for everyday listening should be straightforward. Another useful feature is TWS, or True Wireless Stereo. If you have two compatible M3 speakers, you can pair them together to create a wider stereo setup. That's particularly useful if one speaker doesn't provide enough separation for your listening space. Battery capacity is 450 mAh. The manufacturer specifications claim around 9 hours of playback at 50% volume and approximately 4 hours at maximum volume. Charging takes around 2 hours using a 5-volt, 1-amp power source. That means battery life is decent for such a small speaker. But if you're planning an all-day outdoor event, larger Bluetooth speakers will generally provide much longer endurance. For outdoor use, the M3 carries an IPX5 water resistance rating. That means it can handle splashes and some exposure to water, but it isn't designed to be submerged. So don't treat it like an IPX7 waterproof speaker. You also get an integrated microphone for supported calls and physical controls for functions such as volume and track navigation. There are some limitations. There's no companion app, no built-in display, no memory card playback, and no advanced smart assistant functionality. This is fundamentally a compact Bluetooth speaker rather than a feature-heavy smart speaker. Here's a pro tip. If you want better perceived sound from a speaker this small, don't automatically use maximum volume. Around medium volume can provide better battery life and may also reduce distortion. And if you want a wider listening experience, consider using two M3 speakers through TWS rather than pushing one speaker to its limit. So, is the Monster M3 worth buying? If you want an extremely small and lightweight Bluetooth 5.4 speaker with a magnetic wearable design, IPX5 water resistance, TWS pairing, and up to around 9 hours of claimed moderate volume playback, it can be a convenient option for casual, everyday listening. However, if powerful bass, high maximum volume, or all-day battery life are your priorities, I'd choose a larger portable speaker instead. Overall, the Monster M3 makes the most sense for buyers who prioritize portability and convenience over maximum audio performance. The Monster M3 Bluetooth speaker is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current pricing and decide whether it fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Bluetooth speaker you want me to review next.